Roofing installation and repair are crucial aspects of home maintenance that ensure the structural integrity and protection of a building. Crisp roofing employs a variety of techniques and materials, such as asphalt shingles, metal, tile, slate, and more, to create a durable and weather-resistant barrier. The installation process involves careful planning, proper layering of materials, and attention to detail to prevent leaks and maximize energy efficiency. Repairs may range from simple shingle replacements to addressing underlying issues like water damage or structural weaknesses. Regular inspections and timely repairs can extend the life of a roof, saving homeowners significant costs in the long run. Whether installing a new roof or conducting repairs, it's essential to work with experienced professionals like Crisp Roofing, who can ensure quality workmanship and compliance with local building codes. Contact us for a free quote